Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back. Now in today's video, I'm actually going to be collaborating with a jewelry brand called LINJER. They are a luxury yet affordable jewelry brand, and they are sustainable by using recycled gold and silver material. And they have also graciously sent me some lovely jewelry pieces that I'm going to unbox for you guys now. Here is the little packaging. It is also recyclable, so great for the environment. I'm just gonna open the package. There you go. This is my genuine reaction. I haven't seen any of the pieces. I obviously picked them out, but I have not seen them in person yet, so I'm super excited. Stop, this is so cute. Hello? Right off the bat, this is stunning. I cannot believe the packaging. This is so cute. And then at the very top, it says, meet your fine favorites. Ethical, sustainable, and unique jewelry that you can enjoy for years to come. Recycle gold and silver, conflict-free diamonds. Timeless design. I'm obsessed with this. This is so pretty. Oh, they sent me a little card. That is so cute. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have my 4 little boxes with each jewelry item in its own box, which is really cute. I love the packaging. I love the blue ribbon. So let's start opening them. So first we'll do this one. This is so cute. It's like a little gift. You can see like how much thought is really like put into every order that they send out. Ooh. Oh, and then it has a little message on the side as well. It says, designed for thoughtful individuals, people who curate their lives and the objects they own. Our timeless jewelry is made with sustainable materials and ethical manufacturing practices. Yours to love for years to come, the LINJER team. So it comes in this little kind of like pamphlet. It's got the name embroidered on the top here. And then it has this little jewelry care folder. So it has warranty, how to care for it better, and then also like their sustainability process as well, which is honestly really great to have and great to know. This is the ring that I was the most excited for. That is beautiful. This is the one I was most excited for just because of the opal on it, but this is beautiful. This is definitely going to be an everyday ring for me. And this is definitely like the type of jewelry that if the light catches it right, it'll like sparkle. I'm so excited. And then the second item. I love how it opens up like a little booklet. It's so cute. I feel like it's almost like a bigger version of the opal ring that I just showed you guys. Definitely a statement piece. I love statement jewelry. I am so excited for this. This is beautiful. The quality is definitely showing here. I am so excited to now use these pieces in my jewelry wardrobe collection and in my everyday life. This is amazing. Okay, and now for the third box. I swear it's like Christmas all over again. I'm just like admiring it. Sorry guys. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Wow. I feel like you guys can definitely see a theme going on here. I was really drawn to their opal and their like stone collection. I just thought it was beautiful, and seeing them in person has definitely reached my expectations. Not that I had any, but oh my gosh, I'm completely blown away with all of their jewelry pieces so far. Again, I cannot wait to style these. I'm just gonna try them all on together. Beautiful, like absolutely beautiful. This is amazing. This is stunning, show-stopping. I am obsessed with these. It's like they're all kind of in the same category, but I feel like they're all unique, which I love. I'm trying to think which one is my favorite. Like I was most excited for the opal ring, which is this one here, but I genuinely think I might be most excited about this one just because I love how it's such a statement, and oh my god, this is everything. Okay, and now for the very last box. They have a little clasp at the back here, so it just kind of like clicks in, which is nice. There's no backing, which I really like. I really like this style of hoop as well. And then here are the hoops. I am obsessed. I'm definitely now wanting to get like my second piercing done so I can have like this and then like another hoop next to it, because I feel like these are definitely some hoops that you can layer with, which I love. I'm all lingered out. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's talk more about the gold vermeil collection. Okay, so obviously a lot of the pieces here are from the gold vermeil collection that Linjer offers. And gold vermeil is just one of the fine metals that Linjer uses so that way their jewelry lasts longer. So their gold vermeil uses a sterling silver base with a gold layer as well, which is actually a thick layer of 22 karat gold. So this process makes it thicker, which makes it last longer than your regular flash plated jewelry, which is amazing because not only are you receiving absolutely stunning jewelry pieces, but you are also getting the best quality when you are purchasing Linjer jewelry. Linjer also has 14 karat gold solid options as well, which is honestly the peak of luxury. And of course, Linjer's solid gold collection completely made out of recycled gold as well, so definitely a win for the environment and sustainability. Linjer also offers charms and birthstones as well, which is great for gift giving. Just check out their website. And they also have other sterling silver jewelry as well, and of course their gold vermeil collection. Now if you guys want to purchase any of these pieces that I have shown from Linjer, I definitely recommend them. Then you can use my discount code here. I'll just put it on the screen. You can get a very special offer with this code on the screen, or you can click the link that is in my description. That will take you right to the website already using my code. Now that I have shown you guys these lovely pieces, let's head into styling them. With the mother of pearl ring, I continued the gold vibe and decided to add the opal ring as well. Continuing with the gold, I added some gold hoops to bring it all together. The outfit is definitely more girly and elegant, which I think really encapsulates this ring. I also stuck with the all white accessories to tie in with the pearl on the ring as well. Gold jewelry I think complements the opal ring best, and I went for bow earrings instead of hoops to add to the classy vibe. For the outfit, I went a little more simple as I want the ring to stand out a bit more. However, I still think that it has that classy, elegant vibe that the ring emulates. Definitely more of a casual outfit, but it's still put together. I added another gold ring that has a similar look to complement the moonstone ring, and I'm wearing the same gold hoops. I also went for a pop of color with this outfit to kind of shake things up a bit, but the white and the blue in this outfit still brings it back to the colors in the moonstone ring, which I love. Styling all gold rings with the braided hoops for this outfit to make the earrings pop out a bit more. This would definitely be the epitome of a cozy winter outfit, especially pairing it with my Uggs and this cardigan. Also went for more of a darker vibe with the jeans and my purse, but I think it complements the earrings really well. Okay guys, so those were all of the outfits that I have decided to style with the lovely new jewelry pieces that I have received from Linjer. Thank you so much to Linjer for collaborating with me on this video. I really enjoyed our time together and I hope to collaborate another time in the future. And do not forget to use my discount code to get a special offer on your Linjer purchase, and also click the link that is in my description box down below to bring you straight to the website using my code. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. I had a lot of fun styling the pieces, seeing all the beautiful new pieces I get to add to my jewelry collection, and I cannot wait to continue styling these pieces. Comment down below which outfit was your favorite and which jewelry piece was your favorite, and I will see you guys next Friday. Bye!